Hey guys, welcome to another Mandela Effect video where we discuss Mandela effects and the like. Thank you for joining my channel. Um, I'm looking up this thing here about Hawaii. Now it's troubling me. When in your memory, guys, help me out here. Has Hawaii ever had like blizzards? Honestly, I mean, you see the type of vegetation that grows on the Hawaiian island, right? I mean, they grow things there we cannot grow here due to the climate. Um, but for some reason, Hawaii is getting pounded with more snow than Denver has had all year. Now that's amazing. I mean, that's got to be a Mandela effect. I researched it, and a couple years ago, actually 2013, they had snow as well. So I'm wondering if this is maybe climate change or could it be a Mandela effect? I believe some of these Mandela effects have been going on a while now. It's just we're just now waking up to them, like 2001 maybe, as early as that far. Um, so anyway, I believe this could be a Mandela effect. I'm gonna post it as a possible Mandela effect. Guys, let me know in the comments. Okay.